Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Mallory, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing the new Colourpop and Stranger Things collection. We did get the full collection, so we have a lot to review today. I am going to be showing you guys some swatches. If you've been living under a rock though and you don't know what Stranger Things is, let me tell you real quick. So Stranger Things is a show on Netflix about a bunch of kids. One of them has superpowers, one of them has a bad haircut, one of them goes missing in the beginning, and then there's all these monsters and they're just trying to figure it all out. They're trying to bring it back together. I thought it was a show for kids, but it's actually pretty spooky, but I can't wait for the next season. Okay, so that was your Stranger Things recap. Let me show you the collection. So the first thing that I want to show you guys in the collection is this waffle lip mask. Again, if you don't watch the show, Miss 11, the girl with the superpowers, she has like a thing about waffles. She loves herself some waffles. Next we have these chromatic liquid shadows. I don't know if we're gonna use these today, but these are absolutely gorgeous. These colors for Halloween are just popping off. I love these. We also got 3 of these Stranger Things lip glosses. I'm wearing one of them right now. Actually, this is the red one, the reddish pink one. Next we got this Hawkins Milk. This is the liquid light glow drops, the liquid highlighter. These do kind of look like the same ones that we got in a previous collection, so I don't know if I'm going to take this out yet. I may just save it for a future giveaway. I wonder if it smells good, but again, I'm not going to open it until I know if I want to give it away or not. Now let's talk about this blush for a second. This is a black blush. I do really like how, because in the show Stranger Things, it's like the upside down is like where the monsters live. So it's pretty cool how that theme kind of transfers throughout the collection with the eyeshadow palette and with this blush palette. But let's talk about the blush for a second. So it is black, and it does, whenever you use it, it does transfer and starts to make it like a reddish pink. However, the smell on this is absolutely insane. It smells horrible. Like, I'm not really sure what's the like embalming fluid smells like, but I feel like that's what it would smell like. It's such a strong chemical smell, and for that reason we would not be using this on my skin today. I feel like I already have enough skin issues and I'm paying a lot of money to get it corrected. I'm not taking any chances by putting this on my face. Sorry, not sorry. This thing stinks. Stinky. Cool concept though, just wish it didn't smell like that. And last but not least, we are going to get into this eyeshadow palette. This is the Colourpop Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. There's not a lot of times that I see a color story and I think that this is absolutely what it should be, especially with Colourpop. Sometimes it's like they throw us like a whammy and it doesn't make any sense. This palette makes absolute sense. The color story is gorgeous. The colors that they chose for this palette, perfect. It just worked. They did their thing. They did their big one on this palette. For this look, of course, we're going to start out with a good transition shade. We're going to use this one. This is the shade D&D. Not Do Not Disturb. I'm sure it's Dungeons and Dragons is what they mean for that, because them kids were playing that Dungeons and Dragons, I tell you, on that show. I never really heard of people playing Dungeons and Dragons like that until this show came out. Now all of a sudden everybody playing Dungeons and Dragons. It's crazy how people can be so influenced by TV. It's kind of scary a little, actually. But you know, who am I to judge? No one. D&D, okay, you're cute. Next I'm gonna go into the shade right here. This one is the Gate. We're gonna go into the Gate. Tell the guards to open up the gate. Oh my heavens. I am loving this shade right now. The pigment on the Gate, it is giving us life, it's giving us energy, it's giving us, we not about to have to do too much. So this shade right here is kind of strange to me. This one, ooh, we might use that. It's weird, but I kind of like it. This one is called Alien Vines. Why aliens always gotta be so nasty? It's like every single movie or show, they always got like slime or like some sort of creepy thing that's always trying to touch you. Like, I don't understand. Like, you don't have to do all that. You could literally just be like, hey, I'm down here. It's me, Jessica. For the Vine shade, it is very pretty. We do need to do some better blending right here though. So I'm taking another brush with that shade D&D. Just going to blend that upwards. That way we don't get too much darker. We don't want pure darkness today. Just want a little bit of darkness. I wasn't gonna do a cut crease, but now I kind of feel like we need to, so sorry friends, we must do it. But this shade right here, the Gate, is that the one we're using right now? or no, Alien Vines. Okay, so Alien Vines, it is one of those matte shimmers. I said that like there was more to it. It's one of those matte shimmers. Now I'm going back in with that shade The Gate to bring back some of that blue, because I feel like it got really dark and we lost some of it. Okay, I had technical difficulties, so I went ahead and did one side. I thought it was on camera, but I wasn't. Forgive me. But I am gonna show you what I did over here, and yes, we do like it. We do. I used the shade right here, Hungry for Blood. This is the only one that I kind of feel like, why is it blue? Why is it blue whenever we have a red right here? Like, that could have been Hungry for Blood. Awkward. But yes, we're gonna use Hungry for Blood. And then I also use this green right here. This one is called Castle Buyers. We're going into the shade Castle Buyers right here on the edge. I love a good green, boy, I tell you. I used this palette the other day. I was trying to film a video, but it just didn't come out good, so like we're redoing it. So this is take 2. But yeah, I used different colors and I liked it. I may just give it to you guys in a short, like that video, because I feel like it could be good for a short, but not like a talk through. It just wasn't good, so we're redoing it. That's how much I care about you guys. I'm gonna take this liner. This is from the Beetlejuice collection, and this is what we're gonna use to line. I don't want to do anything too crazy. Now I do want to try to use another shade. I'm thinking this dark blue would look good to smoke out this look underneath the lash line. So we're gonna do that. I am seeing some fallout, but you guys know what I always say. You want fallout or you want pigment? Because if you want pigment, you're gonna get the fallout. It just is what it is. So that blue shade that we just used, this one is it's like a matte with the glitter. Very, very cute. And it did like just the right amount of smokiness underneath. It's very like subtle but cute. Subtle but cute. It's giving like sultry, vampy, kind of dark, kind of not. Like, I'm into it. I'm here for it. I'm gonna go ahead and add some lashes off camera and I'll be back in just a sec. So to finish off the look, I'm using the Colourpop brown pencil. We're gonna use that Colourpop gold lip gloss. This is the last one. Well, no, there's another one. I just cannot find it, the blue one. It's very glittery. Okay, you guys, so final thoughts. This palette, let's take a look at it again. This palette, perfection. There's only one thing out of this collection that I feel like was a complete miss, and that is this black blush, because it smells like death. Literally, it smells like formaldehyde or like embalming fluid, something like nothing good. So we're not even gonna use this. It's cute, but yeah, no, we're definitely not putting this on our skin. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I have for you guys today. If you're not already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe, like this video, let me know in the comment section below what you think about this look, and you guys will see my face in the next one.